Shortly, you should receive an email from me that has the RMJH contact list. In order to access this contact list, you will need to put it into your Gmail. I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So when you see the email from me, it will be titled RMJH contact list. Open the email and you will download this Google CSV file. It should go down here to the bottom of your screen. Go ahead and just leave it right there. Up here in your waffle, when you click on your waffle, you should have a section that says Contacts. Click on Contacts. If you have not logged into your contacts, it's going to try to give you a little walkthrough. So you can go through the little walkthrough if you would like to. Say got it. And then over on the left-hand side panel, you can click the down arrow next to More. You are going to select Import. It says to import, select a file. It should be the same Google file that you downloaded at the bottom. It may just let you drag it over there. Let's try that. Let's see if it'll just let me drag it. Nope, it's not going to let me drag it. So select a file and say import. Now that I have imported that, this file should pop up, and this is all of the contacts for McNair. This includes everybody from the custodians to the office staff. Every single person who works in the building is included on this list. You can rename this list. Mine is named McNair Staff. Say OK. And that should give you access to the contacts. Now, using this contacts, you would use this from mail. So go back to your Gmail. If you're going to compose an email, you would then type here McNair Staff, and that should go to everyone. Now, if you put McNair Staff in the to, that means all of these names pop up. So I would not recommend doing that. So when you compose a new message, you can put this to yourself and then blind copy McNair Staff. And when you send this out, it will not send this whole list. So people don't have to, especially if they open it on their phone, they don't have to browse through their phone. If you have any trouble, let me know and I will help you upload your contacts. If anyone should leave or we get a new employee, you will have to go through this process again. It's not simply just adding a contact, or you could just add the contact to your contact list manually. But if I send out an updated list, you will have to import the list again.